up? Assembly. 1 second. Required. You'll lose your heads over us. Oh, hey! I didn't realize you'd be here. But you know what? It's perfect. I could use your opinion. I've been wearing this head for a couple of days, but I think it's time to switch it up. What do you think? Why do you look so surprised? Oh, crap. You didn't know I could take my head off, did you? Well, surprise! See? It's simple.
See? It's perfectly simple. Being able to change your head and switch it for another is amazing, and the benefits are endless when you're trying to get ready.
Okay, so now that I've taken my real head off, I'm trying to find a new one. Can you help me out? I'm thinking the one to the far left. I haven't worn her in a while. Plus, she'd go great with the dress I just bought. See? Good as new. You're not still shocked, are you? Here, let me show you how simple it is. See? Isn't that awesome? If it means I can borrow one of your heads to meet guys, it is.
Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out all of our other cool videos.
And remember, we're always looking for new heads to add to our collection.